It's here. Michael. He might not be a little sir, but with Downy Wrinkle Releaser Plus, it's easy to keep clothes wrinkle-free. Just spray, hug, and smooth. So even when he misses his cue, he'll always look his best. Also available in travel size.
Learners, real solutions for real women. You gotta go like this, because it gets rid of the
turkey neck.
The side cheeks, armpit fat.
Everyone always says, oh, this is the best bra. It never really works out for me.
I feel really good in this. I'm all in there. Nothing on the side. Look, I cannot believe this. No side effects.
No side effects. You got all of that stuff inside.
Is this the bra?
Yes.
And he's been dating her for about 3 years.
The bastard's a pedophile, yes.
The bars knew this. Well, he's the one who told us. I want to talk to him.
And he's out trying to find Purcell.
Or he's having coffee with him. He looked the other way like Purcell, 14-year-old. What's that tell you two?
Dang! What's he chasing me for? That's just dumb.
You two find me Purcell.
Chasing me for no reason.
I wasn't having coffee with you, but I know who was.
No. Get me up there. Okay. I'll be safe up here. No one's gonna get me. No, you stay back. Okay? Oh, you guys are stay
If I
back.
had my way, he'd be lying in the garbage there on the street. But he's being protected. By who? Need to know.
That jigsaw.
Welcome to the wonderful world of spooks. Who's he having coffee with? Are you ready to see the seedy underside of Ciudad del Este?
Can it get any worse?
You
Okay,
believe I
we're
was
so
going
dead.
the other way, Gunny? No, Skipper. But someone in Southern Command did. Well, I'll find out who, and I'll get back to you. I'm gonna take him down, huh?
Yeah! One of that. That's what he gets. He lost. He sucks. He's a loser. He's dumb.
Right.
Alright, don't call. Can't move. So that guy's stupid. He's a retarded dummy. I was better than him. He's garbage.
How are you doing?
Real garbage. No. 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 Who's a killer anyway? Who is it? Don't even say. Go this way. No. I know who this is. It's the wake. I knew it.
Estás arrestado a la vuelta del paso.
He went that way, I'm going this way.
I got some friends here who want to talk to you. Oh, sure. You like movies? Eh? Movies? No hablan English. I have DVDs. Only $5 each, huh? $5 for a DVD. These are hard buy. Only $4 for you. $4. Hey, yeah, I have everything.
No, it's not that way. I'm not. I know who the wake. I know who the wake is. He was just there. He was just out there. I'm not dying. I'm on 17. I'm on 17 right there.
$20 or 2 for 40. Like the lady said, we're more interested in information.
Whose pen is that?
See the girl on the right before? Ah, see.
Bacon Man.
I heard she passed.
I know who Bacon Man is.
She had her eyeballs.
I don't know where he is though.
Yeah, maybe she passed.
Dodge.
Right, she's so sweet here.
Oh, Bacon Man is. Oh, someone just died. Great. If Roblox is better, I couldn't really tell what he said. I don't. Mouth. Oh, I know what he said. The heck is this? Ninja guy? Hey, ninja dude.
You help us, we'll help you. How much for the phone?
Well, it's not for sale.
Come on. Good trade, no? All of this, yours?
Who is it? Dude, there's some sort of pack. Who is it?
I'll tell you what, Iggy.
The heck is that?
If you promise to tell me when Rochelle
Is that a new
contacts you,
person?
Authorized to give you a call.
you won't interrupt my negotiation. See, if Rochelle contacts me, I tell you.
No, not me.
So now
Damn.
come back.
Hey, what they all spawned by a sewer?
Good idea, Tony.
How's that fair?
Phone's reading loud and clear. I'll call when he moves.
Oh. Ew.
So you want to say
Ooh.
sorry? Something?
Oh, hello.
You could have given him your phone, you know.
Where's everybody else at?
Represents line of communication.
When did you become lead agent?
Why is it just you here? It just said a whole bunch of survivors right on my screen.
Follower?
They die or something?
I don't think so.
Oh, yeah.
There's another
I've
one.
seen that look before.
Oh, that's your shoulder. Oh my god.
He returned to Birchville. 2 days after Nader wanted to stop.
Oh my god, son of man.
I have been given a direct order to protect Purcell as a valuable intelligence asset,
Regardless of what he's done.
regardless of what he has done.
With all due respect, Colonel.
You don't have to say it, Gunny.
Alright. Oh, y'all suck. I suck on that Slenderman level. Everybody does.
Can you
Not
find
very
out
good
who's
at it
protecting
myself
him?
either.
I
Kinda
had someone
garbage at
informed,
it.
but I have no way of knowing who it is.
Sir, how do you contact him?
Slenderman level's hard though.
You've seen it?
Gotta admit,
No,
it's kinda hard.
he's always in shadow.
So some
Very
corner
corny,
window.
like some Cold War film.
Open.
Sorry, but it's effective.
Who is it?
The Colonel.
It doesn't even say.
His incredible compassion.
Guess we're just gonna find out then, right?
Skip.
Wait, I think I know who this is. It's Body! Oh, he hurts, he hurts. This man hurts real bad. Body, don't hit me.
It's in Gusta Street, in the heart of the city.
Oh, Body's down there.
Turn left. I know he turned left. I have a visual.
Stopping up ahead.
Oh, someone's... Dude, why did you pull me by Body? You... Ow. Ow. He's hurting me. Oh, that was the easiest survivor ever. Body just hits. He doesn't actually kill you. One instant kill.
No. What? No.
Oh, the other ones do. It's not fair that the other ones do and this one doesn't.
Why?
Doesn't matter.
What are you dancing for? You like dance? Yeah, I'll dance with you.
We're heading to a hotel, boss.
Follow.
Oh my god. Who are you?
Engage unless you have to.
Jigs. Oh, that girl dead.
He's out.
I'm Bob. Sorry, but you can't get up here, can't you? Wait, what? I didn't know you could get up there.
He's in an elevator.
Who's that fair?
Third floor to those.
I didn't even know you could get up there. So I'm gonna buy something. I need something to buy. What's this leech? Oh, it's 50 points. No. Yeah, I like to go this way. No, not down there.
Going somewhere, Iggy?
I like to buy something
My
here.
friend. Senor Porcel, you
Running
come back to me.
shoes. Bet.
What's he doing here?
Bet.
Well, he's a hotel.
Buy.
He's staying here.
Buy running shoes.
First, I want you to know that
Ours for saviors. These are for points.
if I couldn't trust her,
What can I get for points then? Oh,
5,000 American. There's a fortune down here. Why are you
just
not
buy
dead?
right now. Nope, not doing it. Slenderman, not again.
She's alive if you haven't.
Dang! Slenderman!
Goodbye, Anna.
Why you always gotta bully me? Hello there.
Close your eyes.
Okay, what is down here? Oh, cool.
Close your eyes.
Hi there, bro. I would like to buy this one. Yes. Do. I just spent 30 points on this. I don't even know what it does.
Double tap the head, I'll double tap the heart.
No, I want the red. I want the one that he has. That's the one gives him fast speed. Which one is that? Oh, it's the fire one.
Alright.
Ah, you're gonna make me pay that much, aren't you?
My farm contract.
Oh, yep. Oh, God, wait.
Special Agent Gibbs, NCIS.
What the heck? Oh my God. How did I die faster than her?
Or I will personally compromise.
Wait, what? If you die, you lose your thing?
Harry Aswari.
Hold on, no. Can you get it back?
Our link to Al Qaeda. Or child molester.
Dude, can you actually get your item back? Well, that's not cool. You're making me spend all my points that I get.
Now we wait.
It's the only thing I can get. This is stupid sell.
According to your
Okay, I sell. So if you collect items and you sell them, you can give one to that guy, I guess, and he just gives you money. That's not fair. You didn't die, bro. It's the only thing I gotta keep. It's the only thing I got again. I'll find it to Freddy's.
And having sex with underage children?
And that boy. Oh, here, Freddy.
Once she testifies, you're gonna spend the rest of your life in Leavenworth yourself.
Where's your collector's items at?
Agent who wants to-
She's it. Nope. Oh, here, Freddy. Ah! No! 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 Ooh. Ooh, he's still following me. He's still following me. He's still following me. Dude, you don't even have no collector's item in here. That's stupid! Ugh. Alright. And Dido, he didn't get me at least. That's it's a good thing, I guess. They did not get me at all.
If you excuse me, I have a job to do.
I'm clicking on this and it doesn't do anything. What am I supposed to be doing? Thanks for watching.